Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a quick, delicious blackberry compote. If you're looking for a simple dessert, it doesn't get any easier than a fruit compote, especially over vanilla ice cream. This compote is going to be fresh, saucy, and sweet, and ready in as little as 10 minutes. Trust me, it's going to go perfect and divine with anything that can use a little fruity flavor. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now let's go ahead, grab a medium-sized saucepan, head to the stove, and get started on our blackberry compote. Now to get started, we want to add in 2.5 cups of our fresh or frozen fruit, a 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a 1/2 cup of water, and about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now let's just stir all the ingredients together in our saucepan and cook over a medium heat for about 10 minutes until the fruits are softened and the mixture thickens slightly. The compote will continue to thicken as it cools, and while it's cooling, I like to toss in about an extra cup of fruit to really thicken up this compote. Now for a little tip, if you are using frozen fruit, the cooking time may need to be a little longer as the frozen fruit is going to release more water, so naturally it will take longer to reduce and thicken. And if you want to make this ahead of time for yourself, you can grab some empty mason jars, throw in your compote, let it hang out in the fridge. It'll keep for about a week, but when you need that nice, delicious, fruity flavor, you're all set to go with your delicious compote. It can go great on cheesecakes, ice cream like vanilla ice cream, chocolate ice cream, Rocky Road ice cream, French toast, waffles, pancakes, cheesecakes, cakes, anything you want fruity flavor, you will be all set with your compote. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun showing you how to make this quick, easy, delicious compote recipe. If you're a fan of these quick little recipe videos, definitely give a like down below. It really helps me out. Lets me know what baking recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more delicious quick recipes or just some delicious desserts that you can bake with confidence every single time, definitely be sure to subscribe down below and turn on the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Plus, I still have 19 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 19 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Alrighty, well that's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee, maybe make some waffles for this delicious compote. I'm gonna enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video very soon. Bye.